If you're a modern mechanic, you know that choosing the right digital information platform is a huge, huge deal. I mean, it's not just about looking up specs anymore, right? It's about saving precious time, nailing the job with perfect accuracy, and building that all-important trust with your customers. So today, we're going to put two of the biggest names in the game head to head. So let me ask you this. When you walk into your shop in the morning, what's that one tool you just can't live without? Is it your main left? That impact wrench you love? Your go-to diagnostic scanner? Well, the answer might actually surprise you. You know, in today's world, with how unbelievably complex cars are, your software has become one of the most critical tools in your entire arsenal. The platform you lean on for technical data, for wiring diagrams, for service procedures, it can literally make or break your shop's efficiency and your bottom line. With that in mind, let's meet the two titans we're breaking down today, AutoData and AllData. Now, they're both giants in the industry, for sure, but they have fundamentally different ideas about how to get you the information you need when you need it. So first up, we've got AutoData. Think of this one as the European specialist. It's a cloud-based software, and its whole philosophy is built around simplicity and speed. It's designed to help mechanics find what they need fast. We're talking service intervals, trouble codes, you name it, all through a really clean, intuitive interface that covers a massive range of vehicles. And in the other corner, you have AllData. This is the absolute powerhouse in the United States and Canada. Its whole claim to fame is giving you direct, unfiltered, honest-to-goodness OEM repair info straight from the manufacturers themselves. If you want that deep, factory-level documentation, this is where you go. Okay, so now that we've met the players, let's really dig into what makes them different. This is where you'll start to see which platform's philosophy really clicks with how your shop operates. You can kind of see their whole approach laid out right here. AutoData really shines in Europe with this super clean, modern interface. They take licensed technical data and they simplify it, to make it easy to use. AllData, on the other hand, is king in North America. Its layout is more traditional, a little more info-dense, because it's giving you that direct, unfiltered OEM data, especially for US domestic models. So how do those big-picture differences actually play out in the tools you use every single day? Let's move past the strategy and peek inside the digital toolbox of each of these platforms. When you open up AutoData's toolbox, everything is built for speed. You get these really cool interactive wiring diagrams, super easy to follow service guides, and quick troubleshooting for those pesky diagnostic trouble codes. It's all designed to get you the right answer in just a few clicks. Now, AllData's arsenal, that's all about depth. Here, you're going to find the exact factory repair procedures, the official OEM wiring diagrams, and those critical technical service bulletins and recalls. I mean, it is the most comprehensive manufacturer-grade info you can get your hands on, and it even ties into shop management tools. And this really brings us to the core trade-off, doesn't it? It's all about the user experience. AutoData is built for the mechanic who needs reliable answers and needs them fast. AllData, well, it's for the technician who demands that comprehensive, manufacturer-specific detail, even if it means navigating a slightly more complex system to get there. And then, of course, there's the price. This is another major difference. AutoData makes it super easy to get started with a simple $1 trial. AllData is a much bigger investment, usually starting around $199 a month, just for one user. So the choice is pretty clear. It's a budget-friendly, quick-access tool versus a premium, high-investment resource. All right, we've talked regions, we've gone through the features, the user experience, and the price. Now it's time to put it all together. Let's figure out which one of these powerful software solutions is truly the right fit for your shop. At the end of the day, it really just comes down to this one question. Based on the cars you're working on, the kinds of repairs you do day in and day out, and just the way you like to work, which one of these digital toolboxes feels like it was built just for you? Let's make it real simple. You're probably an AutoData mechanic if you're servicing a lot of European or other global vehicles, if you value speed and a really friendly user interface, and if you just need to get quick, reliable info on the fly without getting totally buried in the details. On a flip side, you are almost certainly an AllData technician if your shop is all about US domestic vehicles, if you absolutely need that deep, unfiltered OEM repair documentation, and if you're the kind of person who believes in following the most accurate, manufacturer-approved steps for every single job, no exceptions. So let's end with this. When a car is up on your lift and the pressure's on, what wins the job? Is it getting a reliable answer as fast as humanly possible? Or is it having that gold standard of OEM precision right at your fingertips? Your answer to that question? Well, it tells you everything you need to know.